Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, March 19th, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. I will start with this simple weekly bar chart. The fact that we opened a couple of weeks ago on a Monday morning below the 258.99 two-year channel bottom, and then, close that week below it, set up a sell signal that is expecting to continue south, the market, into the 154.05 to 160.15 region. This could be over the next 3 to 5 weeks, could take the better part of 2 months, but somewhere in there, I'm expecting the mid 150s to low 160s, where we can actually put out an annual low. I think that would complete the move, and that is the big picture. If we were to close above 258.99, that merely neutralizes a sell signal. I don't see that as a significant buy signal. I would anticipate within 2 to 3 weeks, the 308.69 descending channel top. We're a long way from that right now, but I'm just kind of giving you the heads up. And by the way, the upside progress will be measured as stair step. There is no real sort of swinging for the fences long-term signal. If we close back above 258.99, I am only expecting 308.69, which could contain monthly highs. We could fall away from there, and if settled above, would then signal 387.77 within 3 to 5 more weeks, etc., etc. But we're not there. In fact, we're still bearish below 258.99, expecting the mid 150s to low 160s. Let's take a look at the downside or the immediate vicinity. We did open and close below this short-term channel bottom at 232.08 on Tuesday. It does offer day resistance. It can contain intraday, possibly daily highs, and below which I expect 212.11 over the next 1 to 3 days, depending on volatility, possibly today. 212.11 I can show here on this chart. You can see it is this pullback where my arrow is, and that was a meaningful pullback only because it is the low from which this market just sort of took off. So it does have, I don't know, I'm not going to call it a neckline quality, but it does have the ability to contain daily selling pressures. And if we were to close below 212.11, that would set off another sell signal that is expected to then yield, I'm going to say 160.15 within about 2 to 3 weeks. And so if we close today below 212.11, then yes, we can reach our objective in the mid 150s to low 160s within about 2 to 3 weeks, where profits can be taken on a short position that may have been established already or may be established if we close today below 212.11. And you can even go long, aggressively long, in all time frames in the 154.05 to 160.15 region. Now for the upside, pushing through 232.08 shows strength enough to probably call it a good low for the day. How high can we go from there? I mean, I've got 244.70. That may be it. But if we close above 232.08 today, I do see 258.99 as being in reach over the next 3 to 5 days or less. Volatility has contracted quite a bit, although we're still in this sort of a steady downbeat. But if we close above 232.08, within 3 to 5 days, we can rally up to 258.99, and that is the channel bottom, two-year channel structure that is based in the sequence of lows and highs from January of 23. It is significant technical resistance. It can contain buying through April, and below which the mid 150s to low 160s remain a 1 to 2 month target depending on volatility. I don't think there's really anything else to say. I will remind you just one more time that if we close today above 232.08, we probably have a good weekly low, 258.99, then in reach over the next 3 to 5 days. Tuesday, wickedstocks.com put out a stock pick on Adobe. You might want to check that out. It's approaching a significant area, and we give you all the precise support levels, all the trade recommendations and how to get in and how to get out, what our near-term, long-term objectives would be. You can see that all for free if you go to wickedstocks.com and take advantage of our 5-day free trial, where you'll also get daily SPY, daily triple Q analysis. If you're day trading Tesla and or NVIDIA, you probably are already or should be trading the triple Q and SPY because of the high volume and the meaningful signals that you can get from both of those entities on anywhere from a 3 to 5 day to 3 to 5 month basis. And we also do weekly Apple stock, weekly S&P 500, and weekly NASDAQ 100. And you can see it all for free by taking advantage of our 5-day free trial up front. I'm going to leave it at that. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Thursday's Tesla. You have a great day.